What's going on, everyone? I'm so excited to show you guys something that I received in the mail today. For those of you who are going to buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, I got a few cases to show you guys from VRS design. These are the Damda Glide Shield case for the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. What I have here is the matte black finish. The body is made out of really high quality thermoplastic polyurethane. It's very flexible. The glider is made out of hard plastic. Inside the glider, you could fit up to 2 cards. You could put a driver license, a credit card, 2 credit cards, or an ID with a credit card. In the back here, that's the camera cutout. On the bottom, you have the microphone cutout, the USB Type-C charging port cutout, the speaker cutout, and the S Pen cutout. On the right, it's just blank. There's nothing on the right side of the case. On the top, you have the microphone cutout, and I believe this is the IR blaster. I'm not sure yet until the phone comes out, but I'll get back to you guys on that when I get the phone. And on the left would be the volume up and down and the power button. And they do come with this case come with a lot more other colors. I'm going to show you guys now. Let's put that up there for now. And so this one is the steel silver for the Note 10, and this is the steel silver for the Note 10 Plus, and the white marble for the Note 10 Plus. And the Note 10 would have the white marble too, just that this is what I have right now to show you guys. Okay, and this is the deep sea blue for the Note 10 Plus. Actually, the Note 10, sorry. And this one is for the Note 10 Plus, the deep sea blue. And this is the orange purple for the Note 10. And what I got here is the Damda High Pro Shield case for the Note 10 Plus. It's the same as the Damda Glide Shield. It's just that it doesn't have the glider where to store your credit card in the back here. It's made out of the same thermoplastic polyurethane material. It's really flexible. The same camera cutout. On the top you have the microphone cutout, the IR blaster, I believe, and S Pen cutout, the speaker cutout, the USB Type-C charging port cutout, and the microphone cutout. And on the left here, you get the rocker up and down volume button and the power button. And this is the matte black finish. And the cases are super resistant to fingerprints and stains. Alright everyone, drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think of the Damda Glide Shield case from VRS Design. Thumb up, you like the video. Thumb down, you don't like the video. Make sure that you click the subscribe button down below and the bell button to get notification on new videos update. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.